Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share the videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And today we are going to see the chapter 3. Okay, the way to earn $5,000 within 6 days. So today is the chapter 3 video. Today the topic is what niche is important, why niche is important in affiliate marketing, and which niche will generate more than $6K per month. Actually, why niche is important in affiliate marketing means, if you pick an alternative affiliate links or different kind of affiliate links, and if you promote in your website or YouTube or any other social media traffic, means definitely you won't get a reach and you can't earn money in affiliate marketing. This is why we are going to pick a niche, but it doesn't need you to be an expert in that niche. If you know little bit about that niche, means definitely you can pick and you can start your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, why the niche is important? For an example, many kind of people are searching many things in Google or YouTube, because Google and YouTube are the most important search engines in the world. But if you are posting multiple kind of things or multiple kind of niches, means people will think that this person don't know about the thing, so this is a waste of time, so we will go for another blog or another website, so they will ignore you. So this is why you have to be a super specialist in this niche. Okay, but how you can pick a niche and how you can be a expert in that niche, this is what we are going to see. Okay, so for an example, there are multiple niches are available. For an example, let's search best niches for affiliate marketing. Top 15 niches for affiliate marketing: fashion, travel, technology, education, gaming, home decors, wealth and wellness, finance. But you don't want to take this as your niche, because I will tell you a trick. This is not a trick. This is the most important thing that will generate you more than $6,000 per week. But you have to watch it clear and you have to work out on it. Okay, I'll tell you what is it. If you pick technology niche, means you don't want to post every content regarding technology. For an example, technologies like a Tesla car or automobile experting things, and a TV, smartphones, this all are comes under technology. But you don't want to separate the things. Okay, for you want to spend more time on TV technology, more spend on Tesla company technology, more time on automobile time technology. Okay, you don't want to take like that, but you can do another trick which will generate you the best earnings in CPA marketing. I'll tell you what is that. And as I already said, how to pick a niche. Actually, just go through every niches. Okay, just take a pen and paper and write at least 30 to 50 niches. What are all the niches are available in affiliate marketing? Just take a look on Google and search for many blogs. What are all the niches are available? And if you would like to create a new niche itself, it's well and good. Definitely it will help you, but I will tell you the methods in the next coming videos. But just apply it and you can go through it. Okay, just take a notes of 30 to 50 affiliate niches and just go through every niches. Which niche is easy? Okay, for an example, here are some 8 niches, totally 8 niches. Just write this 8 niches in a single paper and just go through each and every niches. Is this niche is easy? Will we have more contents regarding this niche? Is this niche is good to write some blogs, or is this niche is good to create a videos? Okay, just go through it. From that 50 niches, just pick a 5 niches which is easy and best for you. Okay, after picking this 5 niches, just go through that 5 niches also and pick a single niche. Okay, first you are going to take from 50 niches to 5 niches. From the 5 niches you are going to get ideas more, and you are going to pick one niche from that 5 niche. Okay, this is how it's going to be taken place. And in that single niche, you will get a single niche, no, which this niche will be perfect for your affiliate marketing journey. Just pick that niche and don't work on it. Don't be hurry and don't work on it. I will tell you each and everything. So what are all the things you should do, and what are all the things you should avoid in that, and what are all the things you should maintain in that niche. Okay, this everything I'm going to teach you in the next video, because the next video will be your money making niche, which means I'm not going to tell you what is how to pick. I'm not going to tell you just pick this niche. Okay, you are going to take 50 niches in your ideas, from that 50 to 5, and that 5 niches to a single niche. And after picking that single niche, watch my next chapter, which means the chapter 4 video, because the chapter 4 video is your micro niche video. As I already said, in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing, micro niche is your long time asset, and it will generate you more than the money you are expecting. How to get that, and what are all the things you should choose for a micro niche. This everything I'm going to explain you in the next video. If you don't understand this video also, no issues, because everyone know what is a niche. So I'm just going to tell you how to make your micro niche as your money. Okay, that micro niche will change your life, and it's going to be the biggest turnover in your affiliate marketing. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and share the videos to your friends. And as I earlier said, we are running an affiliate private session course also. If you are interested, you can really join with us. Okay, it's really a good bundle. Many people have joined, and many people have started their earnings too. So if you really like to join with us, you can join at any time. And if you have some personal questions, and if you want some help also, you can contact me at any time. I'll just help you through my Instagram or Telegram, or also I'll give the links in the description. Please watch it and make your next move. Okay, until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks.